What influences stock movements? Stocks are generally affected by the state of the overall economy, whether it's the global economic situation and/or the company's performance. Typically, stocks thrive in periods of economic growth and low interest rates. The company's stock performance in the market has a big impact, as do the company's corporate earnings, which are usually issued quarterly for companies. 4 times a year we all get to see how they are doing versus how they thought they would do. Generally, if they do what they said, or overachieve, their price will benefit. If not, well then you guessed it, the stock tends to drop. So, what's the best solution? Do your research about the stocks you buy, look at their past earnings, and whether the economy was in a period of growth. And remember, some prefer to buy blue chip or value stocks in periods of recession because of their low prices.